Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Node on your Ubuntu Debian system. You can also install from your archive repository, but you wouldn't install the latest version of Node. So apt install Nodejs will install an outdated version. So let's check. Open your terminal and just write this command sudo apt install Nodejs npm. Let's wait for the installation. Okay, now we see the installation process is complete. So let's check the current version on your system. So we found the version is 10.19.0, but the latest version is 15.0.2 or something else. This is not the version we need. So let's remove this and install the current version. The version is removed. Let's check again. Okay, the version is removed. So now we're going to install the current version of Node.js. To install the current version of Node.js, we need to go to the browser and just search for Node.js. This is the Node.js official website, and you see the current version is 15.0.0 and the long-term support version is 12.19.0. But we installed from our repository that was 10.15.0. This is an outdated version. We're gonna install the 15.0.1. This is the current version. So let's download this version. Okay, the download is finished. You see, this is a binary file. We need to extract this file in any location you want. I'm installing my favorite path. So let's start it. Open your terminal here and type this command. This command will open your file explorer as an root user, so you can navigate to the system directories. So let's start it. We need to extract this file here. Let's extract this. Now copy this file and on your computer directory, and this is the path. This is the path I want to install here. I want to install the Node.js user local lib and then create a new folder calling Node.js and paste it into. So our process is 50% complete. So we need to add the node bash command to our environment variable. So let's do this. Okay, let's close this. Open your terminal on your home directory and type this command to edit your environment profile. So at the end of this page, you will add these 3 lines. Just look at these 3 lines. This is the version number of Node.js. This is the version number of Node.js. You will find this here. Look. Sorry. This is the version number of your Node.js 15.0.1. This is your distro architecture Linux 64, and this is the path I pasted the extracted file. Just save the file. This is saving. Once it is saved, we need to update the profile again. So let's open the terminal here and just write this command. Yeah. So Node is actually installed. Let's check. Okay. You see, we are not getting Node.js by command Node.js. We are getting Node by Node minus V. It's 15.0.1. We can see the npm version 7.0.3, which is the latest, and we also see the npx version 7.0.3. This is also the latest. So thank you guys. This is the way you can install Node.js on your Linux system.